thermic and endothermic process. Shall we start with this chapter? Say like this, I
Okay.
share my screen to you, right?
Okay.
This is my screen. What you have to see in this is like this. I am taking classes from different states, right? So if so like this, from see, I was teaching this previously. I was teaching this. This is the osmosis and all, and now I am going with the chemical equation. The first chapter. What is the first chapter? Can you please tell me? What is the first chapter, bacha?
Chemical reactions and equation.
This is the first chapter, right?
Yeah.
So what does this mean? The chemical reactions, right? This is the first chapter. So what different chemical reactions are there in your life, right? You are observing the different chemical reactions. So they have
Yeah.
given the example, like if we keep the milk in the room, so the temperature what will do it? Okay, so it will convert it into curd. So how it is happening? Some new substance. What kind of reaction it is? What is chemical reaction? What is the chemical change? We have to understand that, right? We have to understand that what is a chemical change. So in the NCRT they have given these examples, right? Milk is left at room temperature during summers, right? It will convert into. So
Yeah.
whenever we are getting new chemical substance, right, the fate of
Yeah.
the milk is now changing. It becomes into acid. It turns into acid. So it is a chemical
A
change,
chemical reaction.
right? A chemical change, also a chemical reaction. So whenever we are writing some equation, whenever we are writing some equation, there are two things. What? Left side and the right side. Left side and the right side. How can you
Right
see
side.
what that it is a chemical? See, I go through the different question papers as well. CBSE, what is my pattern of teaching is we explain the chapter through different books, also different notes, also different diagrams also, and then we provide you the exemplar questions, we provide you the PYQs. This is my method of teaching, and I assure you very good marks in science. I have an experience of 20 years. So in the class only you can learn the different things from me, right? It is not like that